So I got something in the mail. Something that I've wanted for a long time. Probably should have bought one a long time ago, but I really just don't have room for it. So I found this one, and my wife bought it for me for the holidays. How about that? It is the Mega Zero 3D printer. So let's put it together. Alright, so I got the printer set up. We're doing a test print now. We'll see if it works. The first test print didn't work out too well. I think the head was a little too close to the bed, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna do this next print. We'll see what happens, but it looks like it's doing a lot better. And this is the first of the 3D prints, so did a lot of reading, and I think we kind of figured it out. All right. Well, let's let it go. Test print's going good. The numbers seem good. We're doing pretty good. It's almost done. Looks good. Came out very good. Alright, so it's done. But that's not too terribly bad. There's a little bit of stuff on it there, about to work out, but overall not bad. So, digging it. Cool. Alright, so for the test of the 3D printer, came out really well. So, very cool. So yeah, not bad. Now we can print some more cool things. Guys, take it easy. Peace.